Frunk will take 3 to 5 hours. The frunk will take 1 to 2 hours. Okay, first you take out this. This just clips. So this is step 1. Step 2. There's another one.
So that was pretty easy, pretty basic stuff.
Yeah.
All right, so far so good.
Okay, next one. There's 7 bolts. Here's so I like to put the bolt here. I won't lose it.
I'm sorry, I just, here you go. Oops.
So when you take it out this one, and then you can just push from here. Here's another 2. And then here's some clips. Set it down. This is for this. I don't know if you can't just put it.
Yeah.
Yes.
For it.
Okay. For this one, you use screw. You pull out, and then you the first part already out. And then this one, you can just do like this. That's so for this one, I prefer you go the bottom first. You just push in, and then for the second one, that's it. Let's do this side. Yeah.
Okay, now you're gonna get ready to put it in. Perfect. All right, so I got the double side tape on there. So how far down do you want to get that? As close to the edge as you can?
No, I think this is good because the
Okay. So you've got the horn in the way.
Yeah, horn.
But that's perfect right there.
Right here.
Okay. All right, so what do we feed that through here?
Just behind the wire. I don't want this one to come out easily.
So feed that.
Yeah. So
latch.
later we'll use the tape or like the tack together.
Okay. And then that comes around through there.
So here you take out the spray, and that's theirs. Read it. For this one, we will use later.
Oh, okay.
So okay, this part you have to put this one in this hole. Yeah, that's should have listen here. Some people they cut this. You don't need to.
No need to cut that. Okay. So it looks like right here, you kind of hook it. You hook it in that hole.
Yeah.
And then it kind of swings back. Okay.
And then this one.
It goes inside the, okay. Okay, so this is the new piece. This is the original. Oops, let me do this. All right, so this is the new latch that you just put in right here. This is the original. So this piece right here is original, and that goes through the slit. And then this is the pull cable.
And
then we put the spring in. pop out.
So you kind of have to push right here. Push right here.
Push there and then pop that bottom part out.
And the other side will pop out.
Got it. Okay, there you go. And just like that. So that's more of just kind of a feel. So it kind of goes
Right here.
right there and then around. You just put your finger in there and feel it. Okay?
There's a warning.
Warning. Okay, what's the warning?
This one, you go down right here. You don't go through the hook hole.
Oh, okay. So there's a hole here. Don't go through that. Go underneath it.
Right.
Okay, there you go. You've been forewarned. So we're just wrapping the one that was attached.
Yeah.
And
So it won't
those
go
two together,
back.
and then you leave this one. You don't wrap that one at all.
So for this, only the motor doesn't work, then you can use this.
Okay.
You can't, whenever you want, you pull, pop out, it won't work.
You have to have power to the car.
Yeah. So you go this way first. That's it.
That looks like a jumbled mess. All right, so which one do we have here?
For the wire, here, you take out there. Yeah, you push this one and then you pull. That's it. And then their wire, you
Let's
put
take a look at that
theirs
one. Let me
in.
take a look at that real quick.
Yeah, that's theirs.
That's the signal status, and it looks like that. Okay.
Okay. Plug in theirs, and you push back here. Alright. Okay, the other side.
All right, what's next here?
So the other side, the wire is right here. This one.
Okay.
When you take it out, yeah. So
All right, so let's take a look at that. This looks like it's just kind of a, you push and pull out, and then you have the exact same thing right there. What is this one called?
connector.
Oh, it's in Chinese. Oh, it's the, which plug is that? Oh, motor plug. Okay, motor plug. Okay, let me get a quick shot of that. So you go here, and then it goes right there, and then this. Okay, there's the original. And the original goes in there.
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay, what are we looking for here? Anything labeled? This is called, oh, the front button right there is what you're putting in there, okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, this is a Frunk. Oh, I will come. I will bring my own.
Just in case.
Yeah. Let's see, piece.
Okay, let's do this. So we're gonna do this, the jumbo wires. We've got, you can see it's called the buzzer.
Yeah.
Okay. So what was, where's that tool that you used for this clip? Okay. So this may be, if this is something the way you want to tidy this up, the cable goes right around here, and then it goes underneath here and around. Now we had to take this off with this clip piece here. So this clip comes off, and that was something that kind of came off there, and then he of course wrapped everything up and plugged it right back in.
other side.
Here, do the other side. Could someone take that off with a screwdriver, maybe?
Yeah, you could.
Okay.
Ooh. That's hard.
Looks like everything's color coded too. I mean, that makes it easier.
Yeah.
White to white, blue to blue.
You can't go wrong.
Yeah.
If you put the other won't fit.
Yeah.
Extra one. You don't need this.
Don't need that.
Yeah.
Which is called the light. There you go. We have it's hard.
This is a
Purple.
Power.
Power. Okay. Okay.
We're gonna stick the butter under here.
Oh, under, okay.
Yeah, or anywhere you want, but I don't want it too long.
Yes. I'm thinking about putting some kind of thing on there to muffle it. You know, I wonder if there's something we could put over it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Maybe I'll mess with that later. That'll be a fun little project. All right, so as you can see, he's kind of wrapping things up here with getting everything tidied up. Before we can put the panel on the front here, which is right here, right there, we've got to put this back on right here. So we're going to go ahead and do that right now. Or he is. Oh, then that.
Finish.
All right, we have it here. This is all done. You saw it from the very beginning to the very end. Now we go ahead and I'm going to give this a shot here. I'm going to push the button and see what happens. Oh, it has to go up first. Now it has to go down. There we go. Here we go. I'm probably going to speed that process up. I think this is in the middle. You can go all the way up to 6. There it is. Now, I'm glad this actually happened because this gives me an opportunity to tell you about the fact that there's a chance you may need to make adjustments to the frunk to make sure it sits flush with the front of the car. Now, before he put the frunk shell back on, the level was actually just right with the front of the car. However, once he put the frunk shell back on, it added an extra layer and the frunk just couldn't quite latch on. So he made the adjustments he's used to, but that didn't seem to be enough.
Yeah, here you have to loose the screw a little bit because this one is too tight. It won't go all the way down. You kind of have to adjust this, loose this way to move this one forward a little bit.
Okay, so you have to adjust this cable. So if it's too tight, it won't close all the way?
Right.
So you want to loosen it.
Yeah.
So what we found is that this one, we couldn't loosen it anymore. It has to go, the bolt or the nut has to go this way, toward the black section here, and it can't go anymore, so we couldn't adjust it anymore. But this piece right here, it's not fixed. You see these bolts? There's one here, and there's one right here. We were able to adjust this up and down, and that was the adjustment we needed to make. So keep in mind that this is adjustment number 1, and if this fails you, you can also adjust this entire piece right here, up or down, however you need it. And what you want to do is make sure, and we'll show you, is that you want it pretty flush with the front of the car.